We want to talk now about food safety training for small farms and businesses in Oklahoma with Chuck Willoughby, who's a manager here at the Food and Ag Product Center. And Chuck, let's talk about these training sessions and what they involve and who they're geared toward.
Yes, Lyndall, thank you. This small farm food safety program that we're running is the third year in a series that we've conducted with the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. We're targeting this year, a little different than previous 2 years, a little more emphasis in the produce industry. What we had learned 3 years ago when we first targeted with small dairy, small egg, and small feed manufacturers is that there was a great interest from the produce side. And with the Food Safety Modernization Act having a lot of emphasis on fruit and vegetable growing, we felt, well, we've really got to change the format just a little bit and add more information about it. So we're including information like good agricultural practices and how the Global Food Safety Initiative schemes work into that. And so it'll be a really much more interesting, a lot more information than in the last 2 years. So even if someone went in the last 2 years, they ought to consider coming again. Some
new ideas introduced. Talk about the paperwork part of this. That's really the business side of it, but it's pretty critical, especially given new rules.
Yes, and of course our producers in Oklahoma, they are already food safety minded. No one wants to get anybody sick. But we say in food safety, if it's not written down, it didn't happen. And so we want to emphasize good record keeping and also preventative measures. What can you do to prevent something from happening? If you're writing things down, you're more likely to see where there could be something that could come up later on down the line. So good record keeping will be a big part of it, as well as preventative controls.
And all of this is designed to be covered in one day?
Yes, yeah, one day. We have, it's a general overview in some regards. There'll be breakout sessions so they can actually kind of practice what they're learning as they go and then apply that when they get back to the farm. Or to the small processing business. And throughout that day, either they'll have access to us, they can have access to us after the training, as well as the Oklahoma Department of Ag officials. And then we have subsequent training we offer at the center that can, if they really feel like they need some HACCP training or global food safety training, then come to those workshops.
And the cost is pretty affordable for what all you get, it sounds like.
You bet. Well, because of the grant that the Department of Ag got, we're able to keep this really affordable. It's $25 for the day, which provides lunch and refreshments as well as the training materials. So it's a really good deal.
And they're designed to reach people in different parts of the state.
Yes, we'll have 4 different dates and locations around the state. Our first one will be February 5th at Mid-America Technology at Wayne, Oklahoma, south of Oklahoma City. I will mention with Oklahoma weather the way it is, we did block out February 12th as well as a snow date. But you can go to our website and visit the workshop page to see when the other dates and locations are around the state.
Okay, Chuck, thank you very much. And for more information on the food safety training sessions, we've set up a link at sunup.okstate.edu.